Now let's see the Polygonal Lasso tool. Select the Polygonal Lasso tool from the Lasso tool set. The Polygonal Lasso tool is much more comfortable tool than Freehand Lasso tool. Right-click on the image and deselect the pixels so that we can make a new selection. Now just click on the border of the dolphin to start selecting with the current tool. And leave your mouse button. Unlike the earlier lasso tool, we can make selection by clicking and releasing the mouse button as many times as we want. But here again, you need to reach the starting point to complete the selection. Try selecting the area with the smaller line segments so that you can select pixels more precisely than the last tool. If you make a mistake or clicked somewhere you do not want, don't worry. Just press the backspace key on the keyboard number of times you want to remove the last points you have created. Finish with the selection. Again, you can add or remove the area from the selection by using the 4 buttons on the options bar or pressing the Shift and Alt keys. The specialty of these both lasso tools is that you can interchange both the tools during the selection process without manually changing the tool. Start selecting with the Polygonal Lasso tool. Now click the mouse button and after pressing the mouse button, press the Alt key on the keyboard. Now, without releasing the Alt key, drag your mouse on the border of the dolphin. The tool is now converted to the Freehand Lasso tool until you leave the mouse button. Similarly, this can be done with the Freehand Lasso tool as well. Select the Freehand Lasso tool and start selecting the dolphin. Now press the Alt key on the keyboard and release the mouse button. The tool is switched to Polygonal Lasso tool. Now without leaving the Alt key, you can work with the Polygonal Lasso tool. If you want to switch back to the Freehand Lasso tool, first you need to click the mouse button and then you have to release the Alt key. The tool is switched back to the Freehand Lasso tool. You can practice with this feature so that you can interchange both the tools whenever you need.